How to remove text from an image in Adobe Photoshop. Here you can see I have the image that is showing before and then after. So in this video I'm showing a step-by-step guide on how to remove text from this image easily. Okay, let me start. Here let me zoom this image that has the text and I show to you how I can remove it. Move to this side that has tools. Click on this icon. Now here select Patch Tool. Or press Letter J on the keyboard for Patch Tool option. Now select the text that you would like to remove. Move it to the empty space that don't have any text. Repeat the same process until you remove all unwanted text from the image. Done. Now you can see it's very easy. I have successfully removed all unwanted text from this image. Now click on File. Export as. On Format select JPG or any other format. Adjust on the quality. Then click on Export. Enter the name and then save. Done.